relevant, enduring, and classic that retains its appeal and significance over time. Just like a work of art itself, all describe our Mahalima. And as an 18, it's more than our wish, but our quiet confidence that SB19 and their songs are timeless.
Hindi sila sumasabay sa trend po talaga. No? Kung ano po yung naramdaman nila, kung ano po yung naranasan nila, kung ano po yung pinagdadaan nila, yun po yung sinusulat nila. No? Kung baga may makuha tayong lesson, no? Like kahit ano pa yan, kahit anong edad, kahit anong year pa dumating, guys, no? Pwede natin pakinggan yun, guys, no? Unang-una na, guys, siguro I think mas madali natin may imagine yung kata na lang mapa, no? So about sa parents yun, guys, no? So kahit anong generation pa po ang dumating, kahit anong taon, kahit ano pang panahon ang dumating, no? Parents pa rin natin yung sasandalan natin kahit ano mangyari.
Because that's the mana of our Mahalima.